Okay, first off, as all fans, we split Ole first. Ole the player and Ole the manager. Everybody loves Ole because of what he did for us back in the day. And I feel we judge him a bit differently. So we focus on Ole the manager. He got this job not because of his resume. Woody was in trouble. The fans were on his back. He got Ole in to pacify the fans and to be an interim manager. Okay, which he did. He stabilized the club. He took away the toxicity that Mourinho gave. We went on a run. Didn't do so well end of the season. Ole was given a contract.
After
Everybody was happy. Okay. And in the time that he was coached from the interim till now, he plays the same team the whole season. Only when there's an injury, he brings in a substitute. By the time we reach end of the season, we are burnt out. Everybody is burnt out. This is why towards end of the season, again we sunk out. Maguire went out a bit unstable. The season before this, the semi-final, this one. Let's not talk about titles. I don't think majority of the fans about it. Ole is the first guy to get this much at times with no pressure from the board for titles. So I think he was given time in a team like United, in a big team that should be in an elite. This one, even if he won the Europa, personally, I think he still wouldn't be the guy to lead us. Anytime he improves, the moment something goes wrong in the game, he goes back to his old ways. Don't sub. He wanted to rest Bruno and Rashford this season. He takes off the players in the 88th minute, 89th minute. The 4 minutes of rest is going to keep Bruno going for the whole season, is it? So these are the small things that he needs to improve. And after 3 seasons, can you all actually say what is Ole's style of play? Okay, let's go for with LVG. We know we're going to get side passes. About Mourinho, we were defend first, score later. Pep got tiki-taka, Klopp got his pressing, so on and so forth. What is Ole's identity? Nobody talks about Ole's play. Nobody talks about Ole's play. All we hear is Ole has a United DNA. Everybody got United DNA lah. But still, that is the only thing we talk about Ole. Now, if you go and sign world-class players, it's a puzzle lah. Okay, you find players to fill in your puzzle. If you buy 4 world-class players, what are we feeling? Does Ole even know what is puzzle? How do you know, okay, this guy is the last piece of the puzzle that Ole needs to go? We don't have set things. Every time you all argue, okay, there's progress. I understand. What is that? Away, unbeaten away. From third, we went to second. We've been going down for half the games. You call us comeback king. That's an underhanded compliment. Why are we going down in the first place? You want to have comeback kings is maybe 5-10 good games. You suddenly have a bad game and you go down 1-0. But in the end, you win 2-1 or you win 3-1. This is a good comeback. But every game we are going down. There's already something wrong. Last season, we were jack-crap at defending set pieces. We still are. It's still the same. These are the changes you want to hear. Hey guys, our set piece defensive improvement. Our corner, we are getting goals. We can cut off the attacks in the center. The team regressed and we went to 2 DMs this season. Yeah, I grant you all also say he's learning. He's a young manager. Give him chance. He's learning. I agree. He's learning, but he's supposed to learn somewhere else, not come to United and continue your diploma and degree. You bring your experience and come here. You come to United, one of the biggest clubs in the world, to get your experience. So every time he makes a mistake, he's making a mistake on our first 11 and our first team. And then number 2, he takes Michael Carrick, who is also a noob, just came out. I think his team is not strong enough, but he's not doing anything to go further in this team. He wasn't back. Okay, I'll give it to him. He wasn't back in the window. If this next window he is not back, we are going to use the same thing. How many windows, if he is not back, you all are going to give the excuse? Are we going to use that? No, Ole wasn't back, so we are still rebuilding. This is Project Rebuild Manchester United, not rebuild Ole's resume. His experience needs to come from somewhere else. He got no squad depth, okay, to an extent. But how do you want to play your substitutes if the entire season you don't play them? You play them 5 minutes, 10 minutes. You all say he's progressing with the youth. Only Leicester game you got to play. Other than that, all the younger players are getting 5 minutes, 10 minutes. VDB, Mata, you got no game, suddenly you put them in and then you look and say, hey, I got no option. It's the same thing. The 4th one, if we hire a new coach, we have to rebuild again. What is going to be hard for a new coach to rebuild from where Ole is today? What has he brought so far that a new coach cannot continue? I don't think it's very hard. yeah, he's a decent manager. We all love Ole. He brought a lot of good memories for us. But when Mourinho was fighting with the team, he did say Pogba was a virus. The board was not backing him up. Everybody told, kick Mourinho out. He's very toxic. But Mourinho told the truth.
Yeah, okay.
But now, because Ole is a United manager, when anybody says, I think Ole is not good, hey, you're a plastic fan, you want title. No need to worry about title. What is the team progressing? You're telling me from third place last year to second place this year, you're telling it's a progress. It was a terrible league. This Man City started out at 8th place, I think. There was 9 different teams in the first place took the top of this league. It was a record. Okay, fine, second. But there's nothing else. Y'all don't say. You say our defense is still thorough. We got no idea in midfield. Thank God for Cavani. These are the 3 things. And y'all are saying all this is good. And the last lah. Sorry, I just play. Y'all always say he's encouraging youth. Hey, LVG also brought in youth. Mourinho brought in McTominay and said he was the future captain. If the youth is good enough, they will get into the team. I don't see what is the big deal about saying, oh, if you are telling me he's signing youth, there's a whole system in United. People will buy the youth in and out, no problem. Just focus on the first 11.
Yep.
The reflection of the coach, the leadership and the play is a reflection of the coach. Klopp got Henderson. I find him a rubbish player, but as a leader, he pulls the whole team. Chelsea has Azpilicueta. Pep had what do you call him? Company, Fernandinho. Now he got Diaz. So on the pitch also, there's no leaders. These are things you're telling me he needs more time, 3-4 seasons to decide who is or push leaders. Or improve.
Itu yang.
So lastly, I feel sorry. I feel if there's a better coach, we should take it. But if Ole stays, I really hope I'm proven wrong. Because at the end of the day, I'm definitely an Ole fan as well.
Itu yang for me, I totally agree dengan apa Denny kata. The whole thing about what Denny said is very correct lah. Because for me, kalau you tanya I still think that Jose is actually the best manager yang United have post Sir Alex tau. Because but then he doesn't get that back, doesn't get that players from what the player yang dia nak tau. But then again for this season, I still think Ole overachieve apa yang dia target. Memang dia totally overachieve, go to final, dapat second place tau. But then he doesn't get that player. For me yang macam Denny tanya kan, I rasa dia nak go for more macam masa Sir Alex punya style of play, which is attack from the wing rather than going in the middle. So he doesn't get that player yang memang betul-betul boleh wing tau. You harapkan Rashford and Martial, they are not a winger. They are very direct striker, very pacey striker rather than the pure winger. So for me, I still think Ole ina for next season. We don't change him lah, because it's gonna go like another rebuilding process. Very tidy lah. Even kita pun tak suka kalau another manager rebuilding dan berapa tahun lagi nak tunggu dapat piala kan. So it's a waste of time lah. So just go for Ole lah for next season.
I mean, first of all, right, we need to look at Mourinho, right? Mourinho, yeah, he may say he won you trophies, but what he left was a very terrible environment at United. Okay, first of all, he was toxic. Second of all, he was defensive. And how many of us United fans complain, oh, big games is parking the bus? Okay, and now when we are attacking and all, we say, oh, we're not considering defense, blah blah blah. But Mourinho's tactics was not right. He was not following the a United way of attacking. When he was in trouble, he went back to parking the bus. In the big games, how many times parked the bus? Now when Ole took over, okay, at least we are playing some more attacking football, right? Yes, you may say there's 2 defensive mids, and for me, the double pivot argument is always there. But your double pivot allows your fullbacks to push up. And you see Wan-Bissaka and Shaw pressing very high. It's actually not a very defensive formation. The problem is we have 2 defensive mids who are not very strong. Now, if you have a really good defensive mid in there, you can actually park another central midfielder or allow McTominay to go out. The problem is our defensive mids also are not really quality, right? So we have to use Fred and McTominay there, and that is the problem. If we had somebody like Rice, you can actually play a double pivot with a slightly more attacking midfielder, right? So he doesn't get the players he wants. It's very obvious at the beginning of this season, he wanted Sancho. He wanted that right winger, and he never got. He got Van de Beek, right? No offense to Van de Beek, he's a fine player. But what he wanted, he didn't get. Oh, hold on, Jai. Hold on a second. Okay, let me finish. For me, it is progress. You know why? It's not a matter of we are going from 6th place to 4th place to 2nd place or whatever not. Yes, people may say the weak league, oh, everybody didn't perform. But we did. But everybody didn't perform. We still did.